Hi foodies, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a traditional Marathi recipe. It's called Shengavni. This is very close to my heart. I used to love this recipe while growing up. It's a very quick and easy, simple recipe. This is a completely vegan recipe. If you're ready, let's start.
These are drumsticks and you can take as many as you like. We have to remove the outer layer as it is slightly bitter and tough. It peels easily. Just cut off the end and pull the layer on all the sides like so. It's definitely worth the effort as the drumsticks will cook quickly and taste awesome. After that, we will cut them into about 3-inch pieces. This is my mom's recipe and I love it a lot and wanted to share it with you. Now do this for all the drumsticks. These are ready. We will start cooking them now. I have posted the complete recipe in the description box below with a lot of amazing recipe links. So do take a look. Now chili powder depends on how spicy you like, so adjust accordingly. Rest of the spices are for flavor. Now this is a slightly spicy, sweet and tangy recipe. Check the description box for how to extract the tamarind pulp. Adjust the water as per the final consistency you like. Now we will allow these to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. In the meantime, we will make the masala paste, which is the biggest flavor contributor to the dish. Chickpea flour will thicken the gravy. Add a little water at a time to make a thick paste. This looks good. We will add this masala paste to the drumstick curry in between the cooking. Mix and continue cooking until the drumsticks are fully cooked. Now the trick is, if the drumstick break easily, then they are done. Perfect. Garnish and we are done. Such a simple yet so amazing and satisfying dish, don't you think? Serve this with fresh steamed rice with a dollop of ghee if you like. Thank you for watching.
Take a look at the description box for the full recipe. I have posted a lot of vegetarian Marathi recipes in the description box. Take a look at the links and see which one you like. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.